Hi there, it's Phil here. If you are looking at updating your pressSIGN 11.1 to 11.11, there's a small issue, and this is probably useful for you to know anyway, in that we, with pressSIGN 11, install the client and the server installer as part of the installation. So you can always go back to a certain folder to find those if you need to use those. So the reason for this is that with pressSIGN 11.1, the updater didn't work, so it's better to actually go straight to the downloaded installers to get going properly. So I'll show you how to do that right now. So let's go into the pressSIGN server monitor. If you haven't got that, that is an application that you can run on your system, and so go and launch that, and you'll see there that one of the things you can do, and give me a second, one of the things you can do is click on this little icon here, the pencil, and that will tell you the details about the latest update that you've got. So and one of the things that I want to highlight to you is that here it says that the Mac installers are in the library application support there, and on a Windows computer they're under the username application data. Follow that path for it if you want to do that. So let's go and show you how you can get onto both of those. Here I am in the Finder window on the Mac. This is Mac, of course, and if I just show you here, you'll be looking at your hard drive, users, the username, library, and application support. Inside the application support folder, you'll find a pressSIGN folder. Within that pressSIGN folder, you will find the client installer just here, and you'll see the server installer just there. So simply double clicking those will launch the installation for each of them. Do the server first, that's my recommendation, followed by the client installer. You'll always be able to see in the date modified the date that you installed or downloaded the latest version. So once you've downloaded the update, pressSIGN puts these two there so that you can run them, or indeed it runs them for you from those positions. So this is a good little bit of information, and keep it in mind for the future. Okay, so I hope you find that useful. Keep the link here to the pressSIGN YouTube channel for Bodoni North America. I post fairly regularly any little updates, and it's always a good idea to just subscribe so you get notified of those updates if you need them. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to helping you in the near future. Bye.